People wey get store for New Benin area for Edo State come abandon their business, lock their store, come enter street, dey do I no go gree o, I no go gree for everywhere sake of say the tax wey dem dey pay too much. The trader dem wey gather for traffic light area for New Benin come use leg waka enter New Lagos Road, dey sing, dey shout, dey call government to use their power take view the matter one kind. People don dey talk, some dey para sake of wetin President Buhari talk for interview when the president do yesterday for Abuja. Some say wetin the president talk when he say make governor no dey come Abuja come dey complain about lama people and farmer quarrel say e good well well. Godwin Erahon, Antonio Samudiame wey be lawyer put mouth for this matter.
It's call or challenge to the governor to face the insecurity problem in their states is very, very genuine, and I think the governor should take it as a serious challenge. I don't see why a governor would be taking, for example, up to 600 million naira for a security vote every month, and yet they are not able to do anything. For even 30% of that sum, you could set up an eternal security structure.
With respect to Mr. President Muhammadu Buhari, I do not agree with that statement. The reason is that his response is not in line with his constitutional mandate as given to him. Firstly, he is the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Nigeria. All the service chiefs, they are all answerable to President Muhammadu Buhari. The Inspector General of Police is answerable to the President, so also other security outfits in this country. It's quite unfortunate that in Nigeria, the kind of democracy we practice is not the situation where the governors of the states are in firm control of the policing within that states. Everything comes from the federal structure. So they were not wrong in asking President Muhammadu Buhari for assistance. So for him to say that statement is more or less shying away from his responsibilities.
Johnson Oj wey be lawyer too, and Patrick Aguinade wey be local government chairman before talk put for the matter too.
We have had complaints in this country before, where even, like example, the governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, has said that he's helpless because in about 3 months he has had 4 different military commanders in the state. He does not have control over them. How do you have control over a situation where you cannot control any man with a gun? The state governor cannot control a police commissioner. The state governor cannot control a commander of an army formation. A state governor cannot even command a DPO. How do you tell such a man to go and secure a state?
Well, in my own view, I feel that the president is very right to tell the various governors to strengthen their security in their various states. I do know that every state governor has access to security vote every month, and I believe that based on my knowledge, the amount that is being appropriated for security vote, it can do a lot, which is making me to reason along with Mr. Governor, the President, because yes, the governors in their own wisdom can strengthen the security apparatus in the various states by having these local vigilantes that are even more effective than the police. Also, I feel that there's a major area that they have not assessed, that's communication gap. Communication is very key in terms of security. One, the policeman or the security or the vigilante that is in this checkpoint should be able to communicate with the another. Say, look, so and so motor is coming, or so and so motor is suspicious. So, and if you look at the present security apparatus that is being practiced, you discover that that thing is conspicuously absent, either with the police or even with the local vigilantes. And so the hoodlums and bandits and kidnappers are taking undue advantage of that major feat. I also believe that they agree with the president that the work cannot be the president's own alone. The governor should be involved, and it's also ordinarily, involve the local government, which is the other third tier of government. But in the wisdom, the narration of the president, they are lame dog, because we are living in an era that many councils cannot even buy stationaries. There was a time, if you look back or retrospect back, you discover when some local government can tie roads. I don't believe that state police is there. Is the issue. One, the police are policemen any day, any time. The governors, in their own wisdom, should strengthen local vigilantes. If you look at it on the roads now, in many of the local governments using Edo State as a case study, you discover that we are yielding results. We are yielding results because of these local vigilantes, not because of policemen.
President Buhari don talk again o. He say the order wey him give security to shoot aside if dem see anybody carry AK-47 never change. He say he still hold ground gidigba. Federal government say na Monday wey be June 14 dem put the Democracy Day public holiday for the country. For paper wey Minister of Interior Rauf Aregbesola release, him say dem carry am go Monday as e go for put for weekend June 12. Na im federal government give the country to dey celebrate Democracy Day to take dey remember Abiola matter dem. Second oga patapata for Edo State, Philip Shaibu, don talk say democracy dey well for the state. As per say the people for the state suppose celebrate this year Democracy Day sake of wetin happen for 2020 election where the people vote and their vote dem count am. Philip Shaibu wey talk for wetin dem dey call goodwill message as Nigeria dey mark Democracy Day, come advise people say make dem change the way wey dem dey do things. The oga wey hail Supreme Court judgment say true democracy don dey well for the country. Philip Shaibu come do abeg to politicians make dem no dey use bad belle and bad mind take dey do politics. The student group wey be National Association of Nigerian Students say dem don comot body for the protest wey wan shele for June 12. The oga for student matter, Sunday Asefo, talk say dem dey fear say make katakata no go shele for the protest sake of say dem no want make anything happen to their member. Comrade Asefo say dem be wan join the protest to tell government say dem dey vex for the way bandits dey kidnap students for school. The oga for the student matter come say dem no wan get hands for the people wey dey protest for Buhari must go wahala. These bad people dem wey dem dey call unknown gunmen don do another iki for Kaduna. Dem enter one school wey be Nuhu Bamali Polytechnic for Kaduna State, kill one person, come carry student and lecturer wey reach 10 people comot. Police say dem dey do check for this matter. Na so we see am for VOX TV News today. My people, make una no forget to subscribe, make una no forget to share, make una no forget to click the notification button wey dey there wey be VOX TV News. Make una no forget to visit our other social media platform wey be VOX TV Naija. On a countryman, Nosahare Sydney. Na bye bye.
CP Edo State.